site contracts. I think the two major points I want to make here are define up front for your CRO partners which sections, which aspects of contracts can be modified and which cannot be. Similarly with grants, have an upper and lower limit, and be sure that for your clinical site grants that you make sure they're in line with local practices and expectations, because there's big differences worldwide in what we have to pay our investigators. Site management and monitoring, there's a variety of items here. I think the two areas I want to talk about are co-monitoring. I would recommend that your CRO partner build in to their management plans a certain percent of co-monitoring. I would also recommend that the sponsor does this, either as a percent for each CRA on the CRO team or a percent of the sites. Training. One of the challenges I've already talked about is the relative shortage and lack of experience in this region with field monitors. Talk about that up front. Build in training programs. Make sure you specify up front who's responsible for what in case of turnover. And I definitely support what Sven said. Don't rely just on conference calls. I know it's expensive. It takes a lot of time to travel here from Connecticut in the US, but it's vitally important to have face-to-face meetings.